Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and best in tech, gadgets, and smart living. Today, we're diving into what could be the best slim fitness tracker style smartwatch on the market, the FITVII Slim Fitness Tracker. Stylish, feature-packed, and affordable, this little device punches well above its weight. Let's start with design. Unlike many bulky smartwatches that scream tech gadget, the FITVII Slim combines the elegance of jewelry with the practicality of fitness tracking. Whether you're dressing up for work or going for a jog, it blends effortlessly with your style. With multiple strap styles and colors available, you can customize it to suit any occasion. But let's talk health. This is where FITVII really shines. It's equipped with 24/7 heart rate and blood pressure monitoring. This means it's always keeping tabs on how your body is doing, even when you're not paying attention. While it's not a medical device, it gives you trends and insights that help you understand how your lifestyle is affecting your health. You get real-time data that can support your workout plans and daily wellness goals. On top of that, it includes a blood oxygen monitor, a feature usually reserved for more expensive wearables. This comes in handy especially during intense workouts, gym sessions, or for people who want to track their SpO2 levels throughout the day. It's a great companion for runners, cyclists, or anyone serious about fitness performance. Speaking of performance, sleep tracking is also built in. You'll get detailed stats on your light and deep sleep cycles. That means you can actually see how well you're resting, and maybe even figure out where you're still tired after a full night's sleep. The tracker helps you build better sleep habits by making the invisible visible. Now, don't think this watch is all about health. It's also a very competent smart companion. You get notifications for calls and messages, 7 sports modes, weather updates, a drinking water reminder, sedentary alerts, alarm functions, music control, and even a female cycle tracker. The DIY watch face lets you add a touch of personality to the screen. All this packed into a slim and sleek device. A single charge gives you 7 to 10 days of use, which is impressive considering all the sensors and features running in the background. It's also IP68 waterproof, which means you don't have to worry about rain, sweat, or even taking it for a swim. It's built to be part of your daily life, without needing to take it off all the time. And yes, it's compatible with both Android and iOS, specifically Android 5.0 and up, and iOS 10 and above. Just make sure your phone has Bluetooth 4.0, and you're good to go. However, it doesn't support PCs, tablets, or iPads. It's strictly a phone-connected wearable. With all these features, you'd expect a high-end price tag, but surprisingly, it's budget-friendly. You'll find it ranging from just under $50, depending on color and seller. That's incredible value for a smartwatch that offers heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, sleep tracking, and smart features in one stylish package. If you're looking for a fitness tracker that looks great, doesn't break the bank, and offers serious health monitoring, the FITVII Slim Fitness Tracker is an excellent choice. It's perfect for people who want a slim, fashionable smartwatch that doesn't compromise on functionality. That wraps up our in-depth look at the FITVII Slim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. This is Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.